Massive from Limited CCTV and Security, and today we are going to go back to basics again, and we're going to show you how to do to crimp on a BNC connector onto coax cable. Some of the newer POC systems require proper coax and can't be used using Cat5 and balance, so we're going back to basics with the coax. So there we go. What tools we need? We need a BNC crimper, an RJ59 stripper, a blade just in case, and a pair of side cutters, a length of coax, and our BNC crimp. Right, so get our stripper and we measure up our cable into the stripper so that it doesn't come out too much of the side of the stripper, and we twist it around. You can hear the cables inside being cut. You take off the stripper, slowly remove away any of the external plastic. I always like to have my last blade not cut straight through, just in case we really don't lose some of the earth or the ground wire. So I go over it with my blade. Doing this live, I'll probably do it wrong, make a mess. There we go. So yeah, you strip your cable so it's in that sort of position. What you need to do is with the ground cable, you bring it all the way down so you get, so when we put our end on, it works perfectly. So inside a pack of crimp we have the head, the sheath, and the pin. So we'll push on the sheath first, so it's covering, so you've got a connection between the sheath and the ground cable. Slip your pin on top, and then the actual BNC body flips on top. You push it in and then you hear it click. Push up your sheath, you can see, you push up your sheath so that it's back to about there. So we push the BNC end straight on, wait for the click, push the sheath up so it grabs both bits, the bottom, the sheath of the cable and the body of the BNC. Get your crimper and I always crimp it with a big one, and then crimp it twice. Gives you great connection, and that's how you do it. We're using a POC system. All you need is that. You get coaxial control, you get power over the coax, and it's just one cable. Thanks for watching our video today, how we made a BNC end off using a crimper and coax. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.